Good morning, dear students, and welcome back to our English text class. Today we'll take Unit 4, Section 4, that means Lesson 4, The Quarrel, which is a poem. So children, in this video we will see a very interesting poem, that is The Quarrel, which you can relate to yourself if you have a brother or sister. The poem is composed by Eleanor Fargian. So children, do you quarrel with your brothers and sisters? Do you know the reason why? Sometimes children, we quarrel with our brothers and sisters for little things like he took my car or doll, he ate my chocolate, etc. But sometimes we don't even remember the reason why we quarrel. But the truth is that we can't live without our brother or sister. Children, first let us see the rhyming scheme of the poem. As you all know that for rhyming scheme, we see the last word of each line. Rhyming words are those words which end with a same sound. Like in the first line, the last word is brother, and for brother, we will give A. As the last word of second line, about, doesn't match with brother, so we will give it B. Then in the third line, another rhymes with brother, so we will give A for another. Then fell out match with about, so it will be B. As slight doesn't rhyme with any of the word above, so we will name it as C. Then children, strong also doesn't match with any of the word above, so it will be D. Right rhymes with slight, so we will name it as C. Wrong rhymes with strong, so we will name it as D. So the rhyme of the poem is A B C D C D. Now children, let us start with the poem. I quarrel with my brother, I don't. Now in these two lines, here the speaker, who is a child girl, she is saying that she quarreled with her brother. Quarrel means to fight. She fought with her brother and she doesn't even remember the reason why. Next two lines, one thing led to another and somehow we fell out. It means it started with one thing and soon so many things happened and they started fighting. Next, the start of it was slight, the end of it was strong. So it means that slight means here small. And they started on a very small issue, on a very small matter, and then it ended up with a strong fight. He said it was right. I knew he was wrong. So she is saying that my brother said that he was right, but she knew that her brother was wrong. So they started fighting with each other. They started quarreling with each other on a very small matter which they doesn't remember even, and soon a small quarrel turned into a strong fight. And the speaker said that her brother was wrong and she was right, while her brother thought that he was right. We hated one another. The afternoon turned black. Here it means, now the speaker says that since we quarrel, we start hating each other and our afternoon turned black, means it became unpleasant or it was spoiled. Then suddenly my brother thumped me on the back. Then suddenly, what she's saying that suddenly her brother came and thumped her on the back. Here thumped means to tap or to pat the back. So he patted her on her back and said, "Oh, come along, we can't go on all night." So what his brother is saying, that we can't be like this whole night. Okay, now let us be friends. Now I was in the wrong, so he was in the right. Now the poet realized that he was wrong and her brother was right, as he came first, and finally they became friends. Now, see, children, brothers and sisters can fight with each other, but at the end of the day, they can't live without each other. They can't live without talking to each other, as they are like best friends to each other. So, children, this was a nice, beautiful poem. Hope you have enjoyed it. Thank you and have a nice day.